Hi there. I'm going to show you how to install Java. I'm in my Canvas course. I'm going to go to Modules, and I'm going to scroll down till I find Resources. There it is. Oops, there it is. Click on that. And the file I want is How to Install Java. Contains instructions on how to install Java. Download it. These instructions list 5 different ways to install Java. Here's the first way. Here's the second way. Here's the third way. Here's the fourth way. Everything below this horizontal line is the fifth way. So let's look at that fifth way. It says the first thing we got to do is launch the command terminal. Come on down here, type CMD and hit the enter key. There is our command terminal. Then it says launch a text editor called Notepad and create the file run.bat. Okay, Notepad run.bat. Do I want to create run.bat? Yes, I do. Well, what am I going to type in this file? Well, let's just take a shortcut. Let's just copy out this and paste it in. Okay, and then it says save the file. So let's do file, save. And then it says close notepad. So click the X. Now we're going to run this command, run.bat. Okay, so what's going on here? We're going up to the internet. We're finding a copy of Java. We're downloading that copy. And then after it gets downloaded, we're going to install it so that this machine will now have Java in it. So we're going to test that installation by creating a very simple Java application called hello world.java. All it does, it prints 2 words to the console, hello and world. Then we're going to compile hello world.java. Then we're going to run hello world.java. And we're going to hope that we see the 2 words hello and world printed on the consoles. There's the download of Java. Here's where we install Java. Here's where we create hello world.java. Here's where we compile hello world.java. Here's where we run hello world.java. And here's the output, hello world. Okay, so where are we over here? We're down here. For lab 01B, you'll actually have to create, you'll first have to install Java and then create a file that kind of does something very similar to what we're doing here, print something on the screen. So we're going to walk through all the steps to make this happen. I recommend you use a USB flash drive. You don't have to, but I recommend it. Insert the USB flash drive into your machine. Tell the terminal to switch over to that USB flash drive, so D colon. So now we are looking at what's in the USB flash drive, and create the file hello world.java. So notepad hello world.java, and go ahead and create it. And let's just copy and paste this code in there. And we'll try that again. Copy, come over here, do a paste. Okay, then it says save hello world.java. So file save. Then it says close notepad. Okay, now we're on this step. We have to tell this computer where we installed Java. We installed it in our downloads folder. So we have to tell the computer that. It doesn't know that. So we got to tell it, and that's what this line does. Okay. Then we're going to compile hello world.java. Java C, hello world.java. Okay, how do I know if it worked? Well, you can do a directory listing. And if you see a class file, then it worked. If you see error messages after you type Java C hello world.java, then it didn't work and you'll have to fix your code and try again. Okay, now that we've got it compiled, let's run it. That's Java hello world. And what hello world.java, it prints 2 words to the terminal, hello and world. We see those 2 words, hello and world. This code works. We just tested it, verified it works. Now let's pretend that this lab assignment says get a screenshot of the output. Well, how do I do that? Look on the keyboard. Should find a key that says print screen. The way mine is spelled is PRTSC. Different computers will spell it differently, but on mine it's spelled PRTSC. I'm going to click on that button, and it's asking me what part of this whole screen that I'm looking at do you want? Well, I'm just going to carve out a little rectangle area, hold the left mouse button down. As I'm holding it down, drag out this little square and let go of the mouse button. And this is what we have in our copy and paste buffer. Let's copy that into a Paint program so we can save it as a file. So, not there, here. Paint. There it is. And now I'm going to do a Control V to do a paste. And there it is. And now I can do a file save as. We'll save it as a ping. Or on our D drive, we'll save it as screenshot.ping. So let's see what files we got. Do a dir. We got hello world.java, hello world.class, screenshot.ping. This is all residing on our USB drive. So let's create a zip file that contains all three files. How do I do that? Pretty easy. Click on this folder. Go to your D drive. Do a Control A to select all of them at the same time. Do a right click. Compress to zip. Okay, there's our zip file that we're going to upload to Canvas. That's it. I'm done. Hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye.